Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install YouTube on Apple TV 3D Gen. 1. Check if YouTube is pre-installed. The Apple TV 3rd Gen comes with pre-installed apps, including YouTube, depending on the software version. Go to the home screen and look for the YouTube app. If it is not visible, your device might need a software update. 2. Update the Apple TV software. Make sure your Apple TV is running the latest version of its software. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Select Update Software if available. Wait for the update to install. Then check if YouTube is available. 3. Use AirPlay as an alternative. If YouTube isn't available or doesn't work well, you can still watch it using AirPlay. Connect your Apple TV and iOS device, iPhone or iPad to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the YouTube app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap the AirPlay icon, a screen with an arrow, while playing a video. Select your Apple TV from the list of devices. The video will stream to your TV via AirPlay. 4. Use YouTube's website as a backup. If the YouTube app isn't working, open the Apple TV's web browser app. If available through third-party installation, visit www.youtube.com. Browse and play videos directly from the site. 5. Troubleshooting tips. YouTube app missing after update. YouTube may have removed support for 3rd Gen Apple TVs in your region. If this happens, rely on AirPlay or upgrade to a newer Apple TV model. Network connection issues. Ensure your Apple TV is connected to the internet by going to Settings, Network. Restore factory settings. If all else fails, restore your Apple TV to factory settings via Settings, General. Reset and set it up again. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!